Title of the first section today is multiplying integers. Again, integers are any positive or negative whole numbers, but they do not include decimals or fractions. Two definitions for this section. First definition, same signs. Answer is positive. And the second definition, different signs. Answer is negative. What this means is when you multiply two integers or any two numbers, if they have the same sign meaning they're both positive or they're both negative, when you multiply the answer will be positive. And vice versa, if you have different signs, meaning one number is positive and one number is negative, when you multiply the answer will be negative. Questions for this section? First problem in parentheses, -4. And in a second parentheses, -5. So this problem is -4 times -5. First thing we can do is multiply the numbers, ignoring the negatives. 4 times 5, which would be 20. And looking at the signs, both numbers are negative, so they have the same signs. The definition, when you have the same sign, answer is positive, so the answer would be positive 20. Second question, inside parentheses, -8 times 7. Again, you can ignore the negatives when you multiply at the beginning. 8 times 7 would be 56. And to finalize your answer, you want to tell if it's positive or negative after you multiply. We have a -8 and a positive 7 with different signs. The definition, different signs, answer is negative, so the answer will be -56. Third question, -6, and in parentheses, 6. So we have -6 times 6. Multiplying 6 times 6 would be 36. And looking at the numbers, we have different signs, one negative, one positive. Different signs when you multiply, the answer is always negative. In this case, -36. And last question for the section, 2 times, in parentheses, -12. And again, multiply 2 times 12 would be 24. One positive number, one negative number. Different signs again, different signs when you multiply, the answer will be negative. So -24. Title of the next section and last section today, dividing integers. Two definitions for the section. First definition, same signs. Answer is positive. And the second definition, different signs. Answer is negative. Looking at these definitions, they're exactly the same as the previous section for multiplying integers. When you divide, if you have these same signs, both numbers are positive or both numbers negative, the answer will be positive. And the second definition, when you have different signs when you're dividing, one positive number and one negative number, the answer will always be negative. First question for this section, 45 divided by 5. 45 divided by 5 would be 9. Both numbers are positive, so the same sign means the answer is positive or positive 9. Second question, 63 divided by, in parentheses, negative 9. Just like multiplying, when you divide, you can ignore the negatives at the beginning and just divide the numbers. 63 divided by 9 would be 7. And we have different signs, positive 63 and negative 9. Different signs again, answer is always negative. Answer would be negative 7. Third question, in parentheses, negative 49 divided by 7. Again, divide the two numbers, 49 divided by 7 would be 7. And we have one negative number, one positive number. Different signs. If you have different signs, the answer is always negative. Negative 7. And last question for the section. In parentheses, negative 10 divided by negative 5. Again, divide the two numbers. 10 divided by 5 would be 2. And we have two negative numbers, so we have these same signs back at the definition. Answer is always positive, so our answer would be positive 2.